Welcome to Rob Talks. Today we're talking tarot cards. Was this card meant to find you today? Maybe? Subscribe to this playlist as we take a journey into each of the tarot cards one by one and the meanings of the imagery and message they convey. Let's get started. The Hierophant, card number 5. The Hierophant, also known as the Pope or High Priest in some decks, is depicted sitting on a throne between two pillars, similar to the High Priestess, but in a more traditional religious setting. He wears elaborate robes and a triple crown, symbolizing spiritual authority. His right hand is raised in a gesture of blessing, and in his left hand, he holds a staff with 3 crossbars. At his feet are 2 acolytes or followers, indicating his role as a teacher or spiritual guide. This card is about tradition and conformity. The Hierophant represents organized religion, tradition, and conventional values. He encourages adherence to established practices and norms. It's also about spiritual guidance. This card suggests seeking wisdom from a teacher, mentor, or spiritual guide who can provide insight and knowledge, and it be about education and learning. The Hierophant can also symbolize formal education, the pursuit of knowledge, and the importance of learning from established institutions. We hope you enjoyed this message. Did it resonate with you? If so, please leave us a comment, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.